Today, I'll walk you through how to create email campaigns on Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your first email campaign so you can effectively reach your audience. Let's get started. First, head over to the Mailchimp website and log in. If you haven't created an account yet, you can easily sign up for free. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface from time to time. Once you're logged in, click on the Continue with Google button if you prefer to use your Google account for quick access. This option streamlines the login process and gets you into your Mailchimp dashboard faster, which is always a plus. Now that you're in your dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Click on it to access your campaigns. This is where you'll manage all your email marketing efforts, so it's a crucial step in the process. Next, click on the Create button to start a new campaign. This is the gateway to designing your email and setting it up for distribution. You'll find various options here, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a standard email campaign. Now select Fully Designed Template. This option gives you a head start with a visually appealing layout, making it easier to create an engaging email. You'll have a variety of templates to choose from, so take your time to find one that resonates with your brand. Once you've chosen a template, click on Apply. This will open up the email editor where you can customize your email as needed. Feel free to add your own text, images, and links to make the email truly yours. Remember, this is your opportunity to connect with your audience, so make it count. After customizing your email, review everything to ensure it looks just right. You can preview how it will appear on both desktop and mobile devices. This is crucial, as a significant portion of your audience will likely read your email on their phones. Finally, once you're satisfied with your email campaign, you can proceed to schedule or send it out immediately. Congratulations! You've just created your first email campaign on Mailchimp. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.